Hello my friends, how are you today? I have a weed eater here. This one right here is a Echo SRM 2300. I want to go ahead and show you how to change or put weed eater line on it. Maybe change it out if it's getting low, if it's empty, maybe how to put it on. But so here we are, right here, we got this, right? So you need to take this off. So we got here and here, and I need to press in on both sides and it should pop out. You ready? So press in and it pops out. So here we go with this. I can go ahead and put that to the side. So this one right here is more for, I think, like a single string. So we take this piece out right here. It should come right out. See? Like so. You guys got that? Take it out. Now this has like a bar right here. And so you're gonna push string in and it's gonna go through the bar. See that? So here we go. I got string. This string is cool because it has like a little thing to cut the string. You can like put the string in there and then push it down and cut it. That's nice. If you didn't have it, you might have to use a knife. Please be careful. Okay, let's go ahead and insert the string through. And I'm like, how do I know if it's right? The way you know if it's right is one way is you go like this. And like so. So that's pretty right. It's close to being right. So that's about even. So then we go and we start winding it. You wind this one this way. Okay. Hopefully I don't have too much string here. I might need to cut it. Now this might be the little bit of a tricky part. I want to put the string in here to hold it. There we go. I got it locked in. So now I want to go ahead and wind this one. Okay. So let's go ahead and wind this one. So this is like a single string. I think I've done another one which took like 2 different strings. So here's the tricky part again. There we go. All right. So now this part might sometimes be a little bit of trouble for people to successfully put it on. Now this is open right here. These 2 holes are open. Can I see the holes? See this? And the way to feed the string out as you're going is to bump this on the ground. You like bump it as it's spinning. But let's go ahead and see if we can put this on without it popping off. All right. So here we go. Come on. I got it. There we go. So we got that. This can be the tricky part as well. So we got that part done. But now this part needs to come off. So let's take it off. Because remember I'd snapped it on. So, okay, let's go ahead and take it back off. So hold it here and then do this right here. And let's go ahead and try to slide it on. You need it. This is one of the tricky parts. Okay. So this is the top one and this is the bottom one. And I need to also slide it down. There we go. And it's got to go in. See, it's not quite there yet. So, once you figure out how to do this, and different weed eaters may be a little different, maybe much easier. Okay, so if I did this the right way, it should just pop right on. All right, there we go. Now, you do need to be aware of something. It's a good idea to wear hearing protection when you use these. It's also a good idea, and I'm like being really, really real here, to wear safety goggles. It's not worth it to do weed eating, trimming, whatever you call it, and lose an eye. It's just not worth it. Like, wear something that will actually protect your eyes. Also, see this right here? Here's the guard, and it has this metal piece right here. So I want to go ahead, and I can go ahead and kind of trim it up. One way to trim it if it's too long is when it's running, to run it against like something like perhaps concrete or something. It can help wear it down. But let's go ahead and just do this right here. Something else I recommend if you're doing this kind of work is to wear gloves so it doesn't like smash your hands. I actually have a pair of gloves. And to wear like long pants and a long shirt to help protect you from like rocks and stuff like hitting you. So there we go. That's pretty good. So this is an Echo. I want to go ahead. You can get a mixing bottle and make the gas yourself. I may have done a video on that already about how to make it. Or you can also buy pre-mixed gas and oil, and just go ahead and put that in. Some people might want to do different things. Personally, I like the non-ethanol fuel and making like mixing it myself, but this is also very convenient.
That is non-ethanol.
Yeah, oh, this is non-ethanol? Okay, there you go. Awesome. So, yeah, I like this. I mean, it's very convenient to do it this way. You don't have to sit there and mix it. Maybe I should just shake it just in case. Alright, so here we go. It's pre-mixed. So we got that. Now, sometimes I want to go ahead and like start it. It might take a little bit. Maybe I'll do that off camera. But, so, anyways, my friends, I love y'all. You're amazing. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I love y'all. You're amazing, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, please subscribe and please turn on notifications. Love y'all. Bye.